Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to crop screen in OBS Studio. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. In order to crop your screen, you just need to select the source which you want to crop. So in my case, I want to crop the screen, so I'll just select it. Once you select it, you need to hold Alt key, and in case if you're using Mac, you need to hold Option key. So in my PC I have Windows, so what I'll do, I'll just hold Alt key. Once you do that, just move your cursor over to the points like this one, this one, this one. From wherever you want to crop, you just need to go to the point and hold your left click by holding Alt key from keyboard, and as I drag the mouse towards left, you can see the screen is now cropped. And similarly I can do this from all points, like from wherever I want to crop. Once you do that, click on the screen and move wherever you want to put it. And also I can just go to the corner and make it bigger, smaller according to my need. And also if you want to make it fit to the screen, for that you just need to hit right click on the screen, and here you will find the option for transform. Click here, and here is the option for fit to screen. Just click here and you can see the cropped screen is now fit to the screen. And in case if you want to reset it again, for that again hit right click on the screen, go to transform, and here we have the option for reset transform. Just click here and you can see the screen is now reset. So yeah guys, that's how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do that, I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.